everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here because on this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make something really awesome with these old slats. Now, these slats came out of a house that was about 120 years old. This is what they put plaster on. So these are plaster oak slats. So they would go up on a wall and they would hang a whole bunch of them just like this. And I pulled them out of the house and I want to show you what you can make with these that can be home decor or a functional item. If that's something you're interested in learning how to make, stick around because we're about to get started. So over here I created a crazy stop block. I have my little slide here. I put my little bracing because it wasn't long enough to actually reach. And I'm going to be cutting this at 16 inches and I'll be cutting a whole bunch of these. All right, that's it. That's all I needed. Now we're going to cut the other pieces. They're going to be a little bit smaller. I'm going to be doing 10 inches. So let me set everything up. All right, so I forgot, there's actually one more thing that we need to cut, and that's our supports. So we're gonna need 4 of these, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I've set up my stop block, so we're just gonna cut 4 of them, and then we're gonna move on to assembly. All right, so I've laid out all my pieces on my table here, and now I'm gonna start assembling everything using 3/4 inch brad nails. So let me go get my nailer and we'll start assembling this. All right, guys, well, here you have it. It is the finished vintage crate now, made from 120-year-old oak slats that came out of an old home. And I actually ripped these out myself. They are plaster slats, and it just shows you what you can make from scrap wood and old lumber that you find lying around. Now, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. It lets me know you like this type of content and want to see more like it, as well as helps others find this content as well. Now, if you don't want to miss the next episode of how you can make it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell if you feel like it. No pressure. All right, guys, well, if you have any comments or questions on this and want to shoot me a message, please post below. I read everything and do my best to answer every single question that you guys leave behind. All right, guys, well, until next time, I'll see you later.